Okay, so hello my little nips. Today Tom and I are here testing out some of the WAC aircrafts. Tom.
What?
You come on. So we're testing out these aircrafts and these ghillie suits. Shoot their kneecaps for good luck. Okay. So do you want to hop in as my passenger?
Okay.
Okay, let's do this. I'm lagging a bit. Come on. I froze. Wait, no I didn't. I'm okay. Here we go.
R. Okay. You know how to do this?
No.
Oh.
Whoa! You spawned that on me! Oh god! Abort! Abort! Oh no! No! Oh, no. Okay. Attempt number 2. You sure you know how to do this?
Oh no. Yeah, I've done this. Oh,
you're heading
we got a bad angle.
Ah! Is this thing gonna explode?
No. Ah!
Okay, this is attempt number 3. You ready?
Oh.
You're in the back.
Oh.
Right.
Oh no. Bad angle. Oh no.
You turn the plane off. You turn the plane off. We have to turn it on to go. Oh, oh my god. Oh, we're doing it. Oh, no! No, the wrong way. Wrong way. Oh god, no! Thomas, do you know how to do this? Oh man. Oh, we're upside down, bro. I think. We haven't died so far. This is a real successful attempt. Oh, truly a momentous day.
Die.
Oh! No! No, oh, man.
Oh, where'd I go? Where are we? I'm lost. Oh,
we're upside down, I think. Oh no! No! No, we're dead! No! Oh, dang. Alright, attempt number whatever. I lost count.
Ready?
Oh, I have missiles.
Dive. Okay. Careful. Oh no! Up,
woo!
up.
We're not dead.
Shoot the blimp. Shoot the blimp.
Oh, I don't actually know how to fly a gunship, so. Oh no! Don't eject! I still got this! No, I don't. Okay, trying this again. I think you're in the wrong seat. Are you?
Oh. Ah! I'm stuck in you.
Oh, this is sick. I'm in, like, you know, you'll see the video. What are you doing? Are you spawning ammo?
I don't know. Okay, let's try this.
Why'd you spawn service?
How do I move down? How do I move down? No!
No, 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 no! No, no, no!
Which way am I?
We need someone who knows how to drive. Ah! Alright, we're gonna both fly one now. I prefer the other.
Hopefully I won't clip you again.
Yeah, don't clip me.
Oh no! Oh no! No!
Alright, so Tom's dead.
No! I'm going down! I'll pull up, I'll pull up! Oh, I think I saved it! I think I saved myself! alive so far.
No, 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 no! No! Go sideways, helicopter. Oh no, I'm dead.
Die.
Okay, attempt number 2. At what are you doing? Are you shooting my plane? Okay, attempt number 2 at both of us flying a plane. Okay. Okay. Tom's dead. Again. I think I have to push forward with the mouse. I'm not sure.
Oh no, Joey's not radiant!
Boy. How do I stop going up? Oh god, I shouldn't have pushed that button! Pull up, pull up, pull up. Wait, do I not pull up in this? Yeah, pull. Push up? I don't know.
Go up, go up!
I see the land, but I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh man.
Die.
Okay, I got this. Oh dang it.
I'm back. I'm coming back up. I'm alive.
Come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no! Don't crash into Tom! How do you fly these?
Die.
Okay, I'm gonna try playing this time. Tom, you gotta move your plane off the runway.
Oh.
So what do?
Okay.
You just start it?
It's just the same, but you use the mouse and the keyboard.
Doesn't help. Oh! Okay. So I just pull up. Whoa!
You have to pull up using the mouse and the W.
I'm pressing W. Yeah. I'm dead. Oh, I think I saved it.
Yeah, they're easier to save. Except for me.
Well, no. I lost it.
Die.
I'm watching Tom take flight.
You just have to move the mouse key up and hold W key up. And then you turn using the mouse by going side to side and moving up.
Tom, you're doing good. You're not dead.
Ah, monkey man! Ah! Dive!
That was good.
Oh. I'm gonna try to. Oh no!
I'm gonna try and get a passenger with you.
I'm gonna try to land. Oh no!
Oh! Okay, let's do this.
Go up.
So just pull.
Oh no! No!
Up,
Joey!
up with the mouse.
Die.
Oh! Why'd they put a tree in the runway? Okay. This is very hard. No!
Oh,
I got
you
this.
made it!
I got this.
Let me go out with you. Try to keep it stable.
Ah!
What happened?
Yeah. That's
Try
not
going in
stable.
third person mode.
I am in third person.
Oh. Watch me.
I'm trying to get in your plane, but you're moving too fast.
I don't see you.
I know, I'm right behind you.
Oh.
Take it down.
Here, I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down.
I know. Where are you? Uh-oh, you're dead.
I don't know.
You're dead. You're dead.
I love how your body just spazzes out.
Alright. This will be the last attempt.
Alright, where are you?
This is the last attempt.
Where are you?
The airfield thing.
Which one?
These die too easy. Move out of the runway!
Okay. Oh no. Jimmy, no!
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh. Look at